Yeah, this is a JoltWrench. This is a Mark one. It's the first one I made, and it works superbly. But it's got a trapping point there, so we moved from this Mark 1 to a Mark 2, which again works well, but apparently it's still got a trapping point in there. So moved on to the latest one, which is this one, no trapping point. Oh, this one's exactly the same. I'll show you the action. You've got that action. It basically takes. You can use these as breaker bars or remove these pins, and you've got a high torque impact wrench in effect. So what I'm going to do is, are you still going?
Yeah.
I'm going to wind this up to 250 foot-pounds, my torque wrench, which is 320 Newton meters, I think, and then tighten this up. Just wheel it up to 250 foot-pounds, and then take it off with one of my JoltWrench spanners. After I've done that, I'm going to try and undo this nut that I've put a big spot weld on. It looks a bit hefty, that, but I'm going to try and do that after I've undone that with 3 hits. Take that to 0. That is on 250 foot-pounds now. Right, so this is going to 250 foot-pounds, hopefully. Right. 250 foot-pounds. Now, I'll swap to JoltWrench and try and take it off. You ready? Just gone. That's 250 foot-pounds loosened. Now I'm going to try and undo that one that's welded. It's to simulate a rusted up bolt or screw that you might get, so there's no batteries needed for this, so I might be lucky. Crikey, snap that weld straight off. I'm impressed with that. It's incredible power on that. You get your torque all in one big lump. Well, that's about it, really. And now I'm going to try and take it off with this torque wrench. Oh, I can't shift that.
Yeah, do you want to use that?
I can't move it. But bear in mind that that is like so much longer. Let me shift that too.
Have a quick
look. The thing is not to start bouncing on it.
I'm going to bounce on it.
No, let me use that spanner now. What's your finger?
Touch on doing that.
It's easy.
Now torque it back up and show how much easier it is with the other.
Yeah.
You're on an alt table, that's that. I can't even talk about it. Right.
Try it, innit?
Until you try that yourself, you don't even realise.
250 foot-pounds is like 320 Newton meters, which is, a lot of people will understand 320 more than. It's the shock. It's the shock that does it. What am I doing, taking it off here?
Yeah. You just need to weld this table to the floor now, Dad.
All ready?
Yep.
Oh, can't get to.
As easy as that.
As easy as that. I mean, alright. It's an effort, but you can, if you've got a hub nut.
I had my feet off the floor. I had my foot against it.